Hi, this is Abid Khasmi for DESITV USA, and here are the major headlines. We bring you news as it happens. Please press the bell icon and subscribe our channel to get the latest updates from around the world and stay informed. A massive sand washing came over Dunhuang city on Sunday in China. Watch as it just rolls over these buildings and the city architect. The city is on the edge of the Gobi desert, so it's somewhat accustomed to seeing sandstorms. China's state news agency reports the storm reached as high as 100 meters. The storm overtook an expressway in just a few minutes and reduced visibility to dangerously low levels. Police had to direct standard vehicles to get people off the roads safely. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.